Dating Friends Chat App Full Review. So if you want the overview about the Boo Dating Friends app, then what you can do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Play Store. You can go with search, and under search, you need to search for Boo Dating app. Once you've searched, now this is the application. You can just simply go and tap on install because it's free. You can just simply install it within a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your network connection. Boo is a dating and social app designed to help users connect with new people and make meaningful friendships. It features a unique approach by offering personality based matchmaking, where users can engage in conversations and form connections through shared interest and compatibility. You can also go with the screenshots here, and as you can see that you can meet real people, and you can see who likes you. You'll have flirting tips, you'll find your boo. And if you want to know more about the application, you can go with about this app, and here you will have all of the overview about the application. So this app includes chat functionality allowing for text, voice, and video interactions. Boo also provides a fun and safe environment for those seeking non just romantic relationships, but also platonic friendships. With a user friendly interface and privacy focused features, Boo aims to foster authentic connections in a modern social space. So it also has a pretty good review, and it's also free, so you can go and install it and use the application. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.